One touch.
One touch.
One touch.
One touch means that we can connect with our clients, our candidates, and our staff at a touch of a button. Logitech made it possible.
Randstad is a company working with talents and HR strategies on many different levels. So we help candidates find the right jobs for their talents. We also help companies to find the perfect people for their jobs and vacancies.
The human touch in our business is very important, and we use tech to enable us to increase the human touch.
In 2018, we want to set a new video conference standard to increase usage and help our users to travel less. We had discussions with many suppliers, but when it came to the decision, it was an obvious choice to choose Logitech.
In the past, when I had a meeting with clients, with talents, or with our own colleagues, I knew for sure that I was facing some challenges in connection, getting connected, or keeping that connection working. I'm not that patient, to be honest. If I have a meeting, I want to have that meeting now. And that was the assignment that our IT department received. Can you find the best possible solution for us to connect in an easy way without disturbing the good experience that we're having?
What we wanted to accomplish was the availability for video conference. It should be in all rooms, so small, big rooms, boardrooms, and also it should look the same, the interface should be the same everywhere, and push of a button. We installed Rally and Tap in the larger rooms. The camera is amazing, everyone is seen. We put Meetup in all of our smaller rooms, and we connected it to Tap. The video quality is fantastic.
Working with video collaboration in terms of inclusiveness and diversity means being able to include candidates who are not being able to travel because of different reasons without actually having the physical meeting at the office. My team can travel less than before, and also means that we can be sustainable.
Yeah, if you look at how we want to realize our ambition to touch working lives of 500 million people, of course we need to work together with a lot of stakeholders. Companies that can add value, just like Logitech, by providing us with the best equipment that is possible. To have trust is quite important for us. We need to trust that it works, and I would say that the Logitech system has provided us with that.
It feels great that everyone uses it. It's so seamless, it's simple to use, and the pressure on our support, on-site support, has dropped dramatically. It's so simple that the users, I don't feel that they think about it. It just works.